Not every light means safety. Sometimes, it's the beginning of the end.
Precision. Speed. Silence. In the wild, you don't get second chances. Speed doesn't always win the race. Sometimes, the shield is mightier than the strike. Still water hides sudden danger. But nature always watches its back. Camouflage is deadly. But sometimes, luck is quicker. Predators have power, but prey has instinct. Today, it wasn't an ambush. It was a mistake.
Born of mutation, powered by instinct. But two minds don't always agree.